Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and launching a private mode right away. Open your Android browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and tap the menu to choose New Incognito or New Private tab. Make sure your device lock is active and that you've updated the app for latest privacy patches. If you plan to use a VPN, turn it on now before loading sites, because a VPN routes traffic differently and prevents local network snooping once enabled. Once your private tab is open, strengthen protection by blocking third-party cookies and trackers in settings. This reduces targeted ads and cross-site tracking. Connect your trusted VPN app and verify the secure icon. A VPN hides your IP from websites and local networks. Use HTTPS only or lock icons to ensure encryption, and rely on the browser's password manager rather than typing sensitive info into forms on unknown pages. These steps balance convenience and stronger privacy while you browse. To finish, close every private tab and clear site data or history to remove cached items and cookies. This prevents later reuse. If you notice account logins, ads, or personalized content leaking, disable browser extensions or test in safe mode since some add-ons can expose data. Make sure the VPN is connected if you expected IP masking. If problems persist, reboot your phone, update or reinstall the browser, and reconfigure the VPN. That typically resolves most privacy leaks and connection inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.